Hi guys, welcome to Essence Barbecue Lab. Hey, with a winter crop of lemons like this and a twin pack of salmon, let's knock up on the barbecue a 7-minute delicious dish using ricotta, lemons, spinach, salmon, and all that is going in my belly. 4 litres of water, 2 tablespoons of salt, 200 grams pasta. Keep some of that pasta water for the pasta sauce. Good extra virgin olive oil, garlic, French shallot, 180 grams of smooth ricotta, full cream milk, 2 tablespoons of grated parmesan. Turn down the heat, the zest of half a lemon, a little bit of the saved pasta water. Move the sauce to the side, saucepan on, olive oil, 100 grams of baby spinach, toss lightly, a little oil on the plate, salmon with a little bit of salt, and throw it on a plate. Then the sauce on the spinach, pasta on top, off the heat, just a gentle toss to the side. Flip the salmon, turn off the heat, add the whole piece of the salmon. It should break up and be quite lovely. Some lemon juice, a little salt, cracked black pepper. The salmon should be just cooked. Spinach is seared, creamy, and that is ready for service. And there we are. Maybe just a little pepper. And that is it. There we are. Dinner is sorted. Yes, have a look at this. Lemon tree, lots of lemons. Lemon and ricotta sauce with the salmon with baby spinach. Look at that. How good is that? Oh.